Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Chainlink. We've talked about Chainlink a lot on this channel, so if you guys are Chainlink holders or Chainlink investors, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. So without further ado, we do see a $50.58 price point right now on Chainlink. We saw a 28% increase in the last week alone. If we take a look at the last month, this is where we see a massive 60% increase. Chainlink has been doing very, very well. A lot of people are starting to understand that Chainlink makes Ethereum what it is, and Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So if you guys don't know already, Chainlink is a big deal, obviously, in the ecosystem that we are currently in. We're going to talk about what Chainlink all does, as well as the most recent up-to-date projects and partnerships, as well as integrations that Chainlink has jumped into. So make sure to stick around as well for the price predictions at the end of the video for May, June, and 2021. So we do see a $21.2 billion market cap right now, as well as a volume in the last 24 hours sticking around 2.7 billion. The circulating supply being that 419 million link as well. So Chainlink's looking very, very solid. If we take a look at the last 24 hours, it's almost a 1% decrease, coming down from about a 52.99. We came down and went all the way down to actually 49.05. However, we are stabilizing hopefully above this $50 range, as a lot of people are excited about this most recent all-time high. If we take a look at the most recent all-time high, it'd be right around $52 to $53. A lot of people very excited about that. I do think we will continue to see massive increases. If we take a look, we have a 1,431% increase in the last year alone. A lot of increasing going on around the crypto market, specifically with things that have real world value like Chainlink. But without further ado, guys, let's jump straight into some of those tweets that we want to look at today. So first off, we have Chainlink's decentralized Oracle networks provide a wide range of critical market data to smart contract applications. Integrate Chainlink's CAD USD FX rate data feed to launch secure on-chain derivatives markets. They talk about already relied on by Token Funder. I thought it would be Token Thunder, but it's Token Funder. If you go on to the next one, we also see Chainlink enables smart contract developers to leverage pre-configured Oracle jobs for common data requests from cryptocurrency market data to the Open Weather API. Learn how to find and utilize existing jobs in our docs to simplify your DApp development. So Chainlink's one of those, like I said, one of those coins that really does have a guide for everything. They have ideas for everything. They have ways and solutions for so many different ideas in the smart contract world. If we go on to the next one, we have gamified DeFi and NFT platform ExceedMe integrates Chainlink VRF on mainnet to fairly and securely distribute random on-chain rewards to loyal community members, as well as to support future development of dynamic NFT use cases dependent on random inputs. So, like I said, a lot of partnerships, a lot of integrations. Next on, we have NFtendo's, a gamified retro console themed NFT collectible project has integrated Chainlink VRF on the Binance Smart Chain mainnet to fairly and transparently select which NFtendo holders will receive additional rewards for their participation. So just another partnership. As we move forward, we see premium data provider Sports Data IO will use Chainlink to supply a broad range of sports events data on-chain, enabling smart contract devs to build dApps around data sets such as fantasy sports data, live dynamic game data, and individual player stats. So a huge deal there as well. Jumping into our final thing, this is not really recent, but we've talked about it obviously a couple times previously in our daily updates on Chainlink. Introducing Chainlink 2.0. Obviously, this is going to be a big deal, and we are getting closer and closer every single day. We get closer to Chainlink 2.0, and I can't stress enough how much really this is going to mean for everybody involved with Chainlink. You're going to see such great profits in Chainlink in 2021, in my opinion. Do remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm never going to give financial advice, so always do your own research, and a great way to do that is to jump to the website and do some research. So first off, let's go to the Chainlink website, and let's see really what Chainlink offers on the website, as it explains themselves as doing such big things like connecting your smart contract to the outside world. So Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network provides reliable, tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complex smart contracts on any blockchain. I talk about how Chainlink is one of my probably favorite top 3, top 5 coins out there in the cryptoverse right now. And I think it'll have so much impact on really what's coming with Ethereum, as well as, every other coin jumping into these smart contracts and needing some help with, some of these price feeds, as well as a bunch of other integrations that Chainlink has taken care of. We see the highly secure and flexible infrastructure, including reliable tamper-proof network, seamless connection to any API, proven and time-tested solutions, as well as transparent Oracle computation. You see, what is Chainlink? So Chainlink greatly expands the capabilities of smart contracts by enabling access to real-world data I guess, real-world data and off-chain computation while maintaining the security and reliability guarantees inherent to blockchain technology. So they're powering the future of smart contracts, already giving you guys a few examples of CEOs and founders talking about how really Chainlink continues to provide for them. We also see starting building with Chainlink. They have great guides available for developers, as well as talking about their open source community and the news at the very bottom. So like I said, guys, Chainlink is one of my top 3 to top 5 coins. I think it's actually probably top 2, to be honest. Chainlink is one of those coins that does so much for really the crypto pretty much the crypto ecosystem as a whole. I mean, Chainlink is very, very much needed, and that's exactly why we're continuing to see this price rise. It's kind of on the same path as Polygon. It's on the same path as Cardano. It's as big, if not bigger, than both of those combined. Chainlink, I can't describe how much I think, Chainlink is going to be needed in the future. So $50.58 right now is our price point. Let's see if we refresh where we're at. Still 50.58. We do see a 24-hour decrease of about 1%, which is no problem because of that 28% overall in the last week and 60% in the last month. So it's looking fairly good. Let's take a quick look at our price predictions now for May, June, and 2021. So to start off, I do want to say, guys, I am very conservative when doing price predictions, but without further ado, jumping into May, I think Chainlink could easily get to $60 to $80 range. $60 is going to be no problem for Chainlink, in my opinion. I think $80 is more realistic. I just don't want to be a little bit, I want to be on, I guess, on the conservative side. So because of that, I will say $70 to $80 is my Chainlink price target for the end of May. I think it'll actually be higher than that, specifically higher than $80, but realistically I want to be $70 to $80 by the end of May. Going into the end of June, I think Chainlink's going to continue on this pump, making it over $100 to $120 range, and that's going to be my specific price point, right around $100 to $120 by the end of June. By the end of 2021, I think Chainlink, like I've said in previous videos, I've said $200 to $400 is definitely a price range I see Chainlink by the end of the year. I think it could actually be much more than that, definitely with this most recent increase and a lot of people and investors actually talking about Chainlink and how big it is for the cryptoverse as a whole. But realistically, I want to stick to that conservative price point, and I'm going to do that specifically with my $200 to $400 price range by the end of 2021. I've talked about, like I said, how Chainlink is one of the biggest coins on, well, I'd say one of the biggest coins in my portfolio at the moment, really. I have it right up there with things like Theta, VeChain, Ethereum, Bitcoin. It's right up there with all of the rest, all of the very, very for sure positives. I think Chainlink is a for sure positive to continue on this increase. It may slow down at times, it may decrease at times, but realistically, it shouldn't slow down or come to a halt at any point in 2021 because we have massive potential and need for something like Chainlink. So Chainlink kind of fills that void, fills that gap, and because of that, I do see big potential in Chainlink. So if you guys are Chainlink supporters yourself, Chainlink holders, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. If you guys haven't already, jump into the description of the video, follow me on Twitter, join the Discord, as well as take a look at those referral codes. It really does mean a lot to me and support me when you guys use my Voyager code, my Crypto.com code, any of those codes, Binance, KuCoin. I don't think KuCoin does anything for me, but I really do appreciate all the support you guys give me by using those codes in the description below. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next one.